Can you really earn $10 million with TallyUp? Now that is the question that I will be answering in this video, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. We'll be going through exactly what TallyUp is, how you can actually earn money, and whether you can actually earn the $10 million that they state on their website. So without further ado, let's jump across. We'll go through a little bit about TallyUp, what it's all about, how you can earn money, and then we'll jump into the app as well. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, because there are some things you're going to want to know before you actually go and download TallyUp. Okay, so here we are on the TallyUp website. And as you can see, the app can be downloaded on Google Play and on the App Store. And it says here, who will win the most free money in internet history? Well, we're going to show you whether you can actually pull out this sort of money that they're showing you here: $1,700, $4,300, $863. Loads of different claims there from different people. We're going to go into the app very shortly, show you exactly what it is. But let's just show you how it works first of all. So you start with a free TallyUp token, which is worth real money, okay? And basically you can then play games, okay? We're going to be going in there and we're going to be showing you how to play this game. But it says if you keep playing and doubling up to $10 million, and you can cash out your tokens or hold them. Value can go up, and at least 10% is shared with charity. So it says also here it is available worldwide, so anybody can actually go and check out TallyUp for themselves. So as it says here, you need to just come onto the tallyup.com website. You can click on Google Play if you obviously are on an Android. And as you can see, they've had over 100,000 downloads of TallyUp, with reviews of reviews of nearly 6,000 reviews at a 3.9 rating. It's not fantastic, but it's certainly not bad for that amount of reviews. On the App Store as well, so if you've got an Apple phone or an iPad, etc., again, this has had loads of downloads. So 1,200 ratings at a rating of 4.7 on the App Store. Now, they've also got a Discord community here, which is a good sign. So you can get hold of people, you can ask questions, and you can get involved in the actual community. And this is really good because you will actually be playing these games against other people. So you won't be playing against a machine or anything like that. You will be going in and playing these games against real life people. And we're going to go over now to the app and show you exactly how you can do this. Okay, if you're enjoying this video and you're getting great value from it, please give us a big thumbs up. This will help us in the algorithms and it will make sure that more people get to see this TallyUp video. Okay, so we've come into the app here, and as you can see, this is the the tower is the first thing you come to. And as you can see, you can access different layers and go up the actual amount. I've actually earned $1.28 is my best. But I'm currently at the top here, 68 cents, okay, in dollars. I've also got some bananas here, and I'll tell you what they are for very shortly. So this is where you would actually go and choose your game you want to play, okay? So you basically, like I say, will be playing against other players. And let's just go through, and I'll run through exactly how, and I'll go and play a game live now and show you how easy it is to actually go and do this. Now you have to actually click on the amount that you actually want to risk in the game, okay? So for argument's sake, I'm going to go for 4 cents, which means I'm going to risk half of that, which is 2 cents to play the game. So then we just click on the arrow and then the game will load. Now this will give you different games. There's 3 different games at this level, and as you go up the levels, more games will be uncovered. So it's actually getting my opponent. It says I found an opponent. There we go. We've got an opponent there. So I've got a ranking of 6. This other opponent has got a ranking of 17. Now it's going around now, and it's actually telling me we're going to play the magnet game. Okay, so it gets chosen randomly. So we're going to play Magnet Madness. Now I want to go through this very quickly, so I'm not going to be probably winning this game because. So as you can see, we've dropped in some magnets in the middle. We've got to choose which one to actually press. How many are we going to risk? Okay, so that's 4, so that's quite high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 7 on that. So I've locked in. So will I earn that 7? We've got to get to 10 points in order to win it. Now he's only risked 5, so I've actually won that. So I've got 4. But remember, he's got 2 higher than me. So he's going to go 7 on that because he's going to want to get that. So I'm going to go 1. Okay. So I'm going to basically give him those 5 coins. Oh, well, we both went 1. Wow, that is unbelievable. Or I thought he would have at least gone in. So that's 1 again. So we just want to go low again. So obviously this person doesn't really know how to play because I would have thought I would have actually won that by now. We've gone 2, the same again. So let's go 2. So let's go 4 this time because they probably will go 3 the way they're playing. Oh no, they've gone 7 that time. So, okay, very, very random. So there's another 3. So let's go 5 there. We want to try and get this so we can go up to 7 points. Yes, so we won that, so we've got 7 points. I've still got a number 6 here. So this is 5. We've got to go 6. Even if we draw it, then we still have a good chance of winning. So he's gone 4, so I've actually won the game by looking at that. So I've gone to 12 and won the game. That's how easy it is to go and play these games. Okay, so that's now saying I've won 4 cents. So if I go back to the tower, I've now gone up to 70 cents. So I've actually risked 2 cents and I've actually won 4. So it means I've got another 2 cents to my actual. Now you could risk more money, obviously, and this is how you go up the levels by risking more money. And as you can see, if you go up, 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 $10 million plus, okay. Now, there are other things on here you can do. You can obviously go to the arcade. Now, as it says here, I've completed my daily goal. So, completed, I'll tap to claim. So, I get more bananas in that one. And I've done that one as well. So, I can tap to claim now. Now, the thing is, this is very addictive because you can get into sort of continually playing games with people. You're not actually, if you end up losing all your money, then they actually give you more cash, a way of earning more cash, probably looking at ads. I haven't got to that point yet. But so you're never risking any of your own money. So that's what's good about this app. Whether it pays out, well, I'm going to have to obviously continue playing because the actual cash out is $10. So you have to get to $10 before you can cash out. I'll carry on playing this game. There are other things you can actually do. It's in the arcade here, loads of different ways. This one I've played for 5 days, so I can get that as well. So that gives me another 5 cents that time. So I've actually got another 5 cents, so 75 cents now in my bank. So these are basically different things. Play for 6 days, play for 8 days, and you can win 7 games of the tower or arcade. So these are all monetary and these are points. Now there are events as well, and this is where the bananas come into, guys. You can join events. So this would the winner gets 1,000 bananas for this one, and you can obviously join this event if you want to do. Some of the events have ended as well. Some take cash, some take bananas that you can actually register with. So if you want to actually go and try and get involved with some of these, like I say, this one you can earn as a prize pool of $200 there. So all in all, guys, tally up. Yes, it's well worth going to download and start to play and see how you get on. I say there's no risk involved in the money situation because they give you money to begin with. And they also give you a chance to earn money if you do actually go down to zero. Now, it's just a question of how much you're going to earn, how much you're going to risk, and whether you can actually go up the rankings very quickly to actually withdraw. But I'd certainly give Tally Up a go. It's a really great game, and I love the way that you actually play with other people. You're not playing against a computer, or you're not just playing against the game itself. You are playing against other people. So there's a slight bit of skill involved in some of the games, but it's also very much a luck thing as well. It really is a question of what they choose, what you choose, as you saw in the game I played. So, but that way it is a lot of fun. And of course, you can earn some cash at the end of it if you are successful. And let us know in the comments below if you do actually, or if you have actually cashed out with Tally Up. I'll be carry on playing it. I'll be trying to get to the point of being able to cash up and then I can do another video and showing you how easy it is to actually withdraw that cash. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.